Hello viewers, this is Dr. Wahid Beg from Jaipur. Today, let us learn how to prepare Sharbat Ustokhuddus. Before sharing the methodology of Sharbat Ustokhuddus, I would like to share some experience regarding it. There are a number of variations when it comes to the formula of this medicine, and it differs from book to book. But I have selected this formula after having almost 30 years of experience. I have personally prepared it and have given it to my patients and have observed positive results. So you can use this formula with great confidence and be sure about its results. The first ingredient is Ustokhuddus or lavender. You should watch the quality of the ingredient. In fact, observe carefully the quality of all the ingredients coming forward. This is Bargauzaba. So Ustokhuddus we take 120 gram and Bargauzaba is also 120 gram. Maviz or Munakka is 720 gram. Gulsurh or rose petals 160 grams.
And of course, this is Gulsurh 160 grams. This is
Hansraj, also known as Persiamvasha, 120 grams.
120 grams.
Sapista or Lesue, 120 grams. Oud Salib, best quality, 120 grams.
120 grams.
Sauf, 120 grams. Tuhm Karfas, 120 grams. And Mulethi, which has been peeled.
Mulethi, aslesus. See the quality of aslesus. It should be unpeeled. इसको मुकश्शर किया जाना चाहिए, इसकी छाल उतार देनी चाहिए.
And Tuhm Khatmi, 120 grams.
So take all these ingredients and soak in water for 20 hours.
You should take these ingredients and soak them for 12 hours, after which you should boil it and then extract the juice after 12 more hours. We will be using 8 kilograms of sugar in preparing it, although there are companies which use more than 8 kg of sugar. But patients today have become more cautious, and we should also maintain some caution in regards to the sugar consumption for the patients because they are trying to reduce it, and we should help that. After years of experience, we have found that this amount of sugar is enough. After following this prescription, you can be sure about the results. You should follow the same way of preparation and quality to get the best results. Please note that Mulethi, Oud Salib and Sapista need to be crushed before putting them in the water. Let us now watch the ingredients being boiled. All the ingredients have been kept to soak for 12 hours and now they are being boiled. We will bring it to a boil and then let it boil for 10 minutes, after which we will cover it with a lid. In the morning, the ingredients will be mashed together and squeezed to get the juice, after which the sharbat will be prepared. Now you are watching the extracted juice of Sharbat Ustokhuddus. Apart from that, we have extracted the juice of Maviz separately, as they are soaked separately as well. This is a good practice.
इनको अलग से भिगोया गया था और पानी अलग से ही निकाला गया था इनका, और अब शामिल कर रहे हैं पकाने से पहले. इनको अलग ही भिगोना चाहिए, अलग ही जूस निकालना चाहिए, फिर मिक्स करना चाहिए. और अब देखिए फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ शरबत उस्तोखुद्दूस ये बिल्कुल रेडी होने वाला है. फॉर द सेक ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस, notice the size of bubbles.
And now you can see the final stage of Sharbat Ustokhuddus. For your learning experience, notice the size of the bubbles. The sharbat is almost ready now and we will turn off the heat in a moment. Thanks for watching.